Hey, you're going to go on a trip with me through the rebuilding of a turn-of-the-century house. And it's right here on the Renovation Nation. Hi, welcome back to the Renovation Nation. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the notification bell for new videos that are coming out. Share it. Did I say subscribe? Make sure you subscribe. Make any comments. We'd love to give you notifications when new videos are coming out, and we'd like for you to share this to others. So this is a very special project. This is a home that we're kind of calling back from the dead. The family has owned it for a number of years. It's up in Marysville, which is an area north of Sacramento, in a historic area where the house needs work. Contractors had said you'd probably be better off just leveling it and starting over. However, we have a general contractor who is going to be doing the work that's not leveling it, but doing a complete gut and restore. And we're going to go through this process. This is a historic home that's built turn of century, I believe about 1899. We'll talk to the homeowner. We'll talk to the general contractor. We'll take tours through the house as it goes and see the progress. And we're taking you with me. So let's start off the first episode of, we're calling this the home back from the dead. Hey, so I'm out in the field here, starting with this project. You can see this home right here. We have a little bit of a break in the weather. It's been raining and raining and raining. The general contractor is not going to be here, but we will have a chance in one of these episodes to sit down and talk with him briefly about this project. But I don't know, trying to figure out a name for this project. We're in the town of Marysville. It's in a historical area. This home was built around the turn of the century. And it was within a family that wanted to keep it. And I say that where contractors had looked at this and they advised, hey, it just should be leveled and rebuilt. Well, there's memories here with this home. They wanted to keep the home and rebuild it. And really, it kind of worked out price-wise better for them to keep it and do a major restoration. Part of you can see the back, it needs a lot of help. That's going to be rebuilt, the foundation work. The exterior, if you can see here, that's asbestos siding. All of that is going to be removed. Obviously, with the weather being as it is, they're going to wait until it's the building is empty, and then of course nobody will be around. They have to do whatever they have to do for asbestos abatement. But there's going to be a ton of work, including new roof and everything. Now, they started really quick. Now, the general contractor is not here because of all the rains and stuff. He's now getting called in all over the place to do emergency roof repair and that kind of stuff. But like I said, we'll talk to him in some future episodes. But in the meantime, let's take a look at this house. We're going to go on the inside. Now, I'll have some pictures of stuff of what it was before, but these guys work fast. Trust me on it. And they've already started the demolition on the interior. It's going to be all redone on the inside, so you can see. Now, there's some remediation that's going to be done on the interior. It's going to get loud and everything, which is lead-based paint, which is typically what you're going to have with turn-of-the-century homes. You can see they're kind of working, so if you can't hear me, that's fine. Oh, yeah. A lot of work. A lot of dust. You can see the old lath and plaster is gone. There's an old fireplace. Wow. That's been sealed up or something.
Yeah.
It is dusty. Some of these like old turn of the century chandeliers and things. It's interesting. That's where the lath and plaster is. And here, some of the original hardware. I haven't quite got to this room yet. But it's all going to be gutted. The windows and everything. This is just the downstairs. This is upstairs, downstairs. I think it's probably about maybe 1,200 or 1,500 square feet. Maybe a little bit larger. This was the kitchen in this area. Again, all this is going to be redone. You can see how this was all lath and plaster in here. And this was probably a laundry room. No bathroom here. But foundation work is all going to be done. This is all going to be redone in here.
We're just gonna head out to lunch.
Okay.
So you can do your thing here.
Sure. Is it safe to go upstairs?
Oh yeah.
All right. Wow. You guys went to work fast.
3 days.
Wow. 3 days into it.
Yep.
And are you guys saving any of the chandelier?
I mean, they're all set. I mean, the only thing that's broken is just the bulbs.
Uh-huh.
Other than that, we can.
Yeah, I mean, because that's all good stuff. And a lot of people pay good money for all this turn of the century stuff.
It's in good conditions. I mean, it's just the bulbs.
Yep. And even like doorknobs and things like that.
Yeah, well, we're taking all the doors off. I mean, so they're all the doors are being saved. So,
Cool.
So like that, I mean, John can decide if
Right.
they want to keep the doors or not.
Right. Well, great. You see all this old wiring.
Yeah, but yeah, it's safe to be
Okay.
there.
All right, let's go take a look. Watch out for crowbars and equipment. Wow. Oh, this was a bathroom here. You can see all this old cloth over the insulation. These are bedrooms up here and a bathroom. This is all the original wood floor on here. They're going to probably cover it all. See all the wires are exposed, everything. Right down to the original timbers. I think they're going to replace the roof. This is the fireplace chimney. So of course, it's a bathroom. This was kind of an add-on here. Lots of dry rot. There's another fireplace over on that end. Then we go and see what's going on there. Well, that's like something from the 40s. With some old 1972 graduation tassel on the end of it. I guess they're using it as a pole or something. I have no idea. I can only imagine it was a heater up here where the exhaust went up the chimney as well. Everything, of course, is going to be all brought up to code. We'll see how this project's going to develop. Not sure if they're going to keep this banister or not, but How you doing?
Good.
I can't believe how fast this is all gone.
Yeah. Well, almost a little bit more than half.
Oh yeah. What's the plan? They're going to keep the banister?
Yeah, they say we don't touch nothing of this.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And kind of keep it still retro feel?
Yeah.
Nice.
No, maybe later the sign was everything new.
Just kind of as you go.
Yeah.
Let's see what this looks like. These are the old returns for the heat. Okay, all right, so that other chimney was actually this exhaust here for the kitchen. Went up that way. Let's take a look around outside. While the crew is all on lunch break. Now this is not the original siding here. This was aluminum that was put on later. Orange tree. But you can see there, that's asbestos. Right here. This is all going to be coming off. Trap underneath. Little wishing well. Another orange tree. Here's the backyard. Obviously is gonna need to get all cleaned up and everything. Some old tree piles. Definitely some foundation issues that are here that doesn't need to be replaced. It's just going to be shimmed up a little bit because it's sloping slightly. But there it is. The rise of the Phoenix. We'll go through this and as it progresses, it's amazing the amount of, I'm blown away by the amount of work that's been done already. He says, oh, and we got most of it. They got a lot of it done. Very fast. It's going to be fun is when they start putting all this back together again. Well, this is it. Rise of the Phoenix out here in Marysville. So this is where we're at so far. A lot of work to be done. Hopefully you'll tune in for up and coming episodes. We'll talk to the general contractor. We might be able to catch the homeowner in this and see the progress. Anyway, back to the studio. Well, what'd you think? That's episode 1 of this. There's a lot of work to be done. We're going to find out maybe there's a little bit of red tape that has to be overcome with dealing with the city and all of that. They want to make sure that the home is going to maintain its historic look and all of that. This is great. It's going to be a great project. Don't forget, again, to subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell to be notified when the next episode comes out. Leave a comment and share this video with others. Again, thank you for joining me in this episode's The Renovation Nation, Back from the Dead.